Happy Friday, everyone. I wanted to come on. This is going to be steps 1 and 2 of your cartography project. So, like I said yesterday, you guys are going to be working on this project for the majority of today. It is worth about 15 total points. It is a very large chunk of your grade, especially because I do rate points very low in a lot of your assignments. So, please make sure that you are putting in a lot of effort into this assignment. I will be available through email today as well as this weekend. I will do my best to get back with you as quickly as I can. Please just understand that I will also be on the road at the same time. Okay, so um, just to get started, a quick review. A cartographer, which we learned about our first day when we were doing map skills, is someone who looks at an area or region and creates a map based off the needs of that area. So today you're being tasked with becoming a cartographer. You will be creating a map of an imaginary country or island of your own design. You must create a theme for your map and include at least 5 landforms from the box listed. And are you up for the challenge? A lot of you guys were able to get really excited about this. You've already come up with some good ideas. Your homework for last night was for you to tell me or to start thinking about what theme you wanted for your map. So here's where you found your video instructions for today. So we're going to get started with the very first step. The first thing you need to do is decide on that theme for your island. So, like I said, your homework last night was for you to pick a theme and maybe even the name of or the title of your island. This is the title of your map. If you are still struggling to come up with an idea, here are some examples that you can choose from. Unicorn Island, Fortnite Island, Football Paradise, Glitter Gully, Animal Rescue Island, Farming Island. They don't, again, guys, they don't have to be islands. I just kind of always imagine them being islands because they're so unique in shape. So, this is one of the examples that we're going to really be looking at today. It is called Star Station. So, this stop. Sorry. So, this island has a bunch of different landforms and features on it that we're going to talk about as we go. The big part I wanted to point out was that it is called Star Station, and if you notice, it is in the shape of a star. Okay, so that's the very first thing you're going to do. You're going to be just coming up with that theme, which is also the title of your map. So here are some examples for you to use. And once you have come up with your theme, you can move on to step 2. So, step 2 is you need to actually gather up the materials that you're going to need. This is an assignment that you are going to have to draw. So you will need a piece of paper or a poster board. It doesn't have to be fancy paper, guys, because I totally know that at home, sometimes we don't have everything we need to get all of our work done. So if you just find a piece of if all you can find is a piece of notebook paper, that's okay. But if you are able to find something larger, like a poster board or more of like a piece of construction paper, something a little thicker, that's going to be better for this assignment just because it's going to be sturdier. You're going to need something to write with. I really recommend a pencil in case you make mistakes. You can erase. I've had kids do it in pen the first go around in the past, and they end up going through 4, 5, and 6 pieces of paper while they make adjustments. So I really recommend you're using those pencils. If you plan on doing the extra credit, you can have your coloring supplies, crayons, markers, colored pencils, whatever you want. So you are going to gather up your materials. That's steps 1 and 2. Go on ahead and gather everything you need for that, and I will see you back for step 3.